Okay, this place right here is a silver shop. So let's see what they have. So they got some money. You can buy money here. You can buy silver here. I don't know, I'm sorry. But you can see all the detail. You can buy like, it's like Chinese zodiac. Hello. Can I phone?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, yeah, actually I was just going to explain it. Do you want to explain something on the camera a little bit?
Actually, my English is not good yet.
So, yeah, so basically so we're just kind of explaining some of the silver. This is one of the people that works here. And I think this is all like new money that's just came out?
Money.
Yeah, okay.
It's black money, but not money.
Lucky money. So, and then also like this one here is all zodiac, right?
China is made by China.
Oh, this is money from mainland China. So there's like little zodiac and it's all silver or gold.
Yeah.
So a lot of mainlanders, they come and they buy silver and gold and they bring it back to China? Okay.
You want to buy something real quick?
I was just kind of looking to see. One of my friends comes here sometimes and buys silver a lot.
Do you ever buy something like this?
I did. I bought some in here already. I bought some Canadian ones. So I bought some. So, okay. So actually this is the year of the rat. This is 2020, right?
You make a video or
Video.
why?
I got a YouTube channel.
Oh.
So I just put it on the YouTube channel and just explained that there's a silver shop and what they have and that it's a good place to buy silver and gold. I think there's 2 shops, right? So, but anyways, maybe I'll end this. I'll end it.
Do you go there that one?
I went to the other one over by.
There.
I also went to one over by Lisboa a little bit. So I knew, but yeah, this is a YouTube channel, so I have a thing about Macau. So I'll just tell them that this is a silver shop and a lot of people buy silver here, and you can come. It's called Royale. So if anybody's interested in silver, Macau has a lot of good deals. I think in China you can't buy silver, right? So a lot of times people from China, they'll come over and buy silver, and
But actually, more people like Macau local people
mostly
buy.
oh, okay. And then they usually investment, usually. So usually buying for investment. So if you're interested in silver, Macau is a good place to buy silver and gold too, right? And gold. But this shop specializes in silver. Okay, so that's a little bit inside, and I'll end the YouTube right there with a video. Okay. So we'll just take a look at some of the silver with the. So these are all the Chinese New Year stuff. And then we'll come over here. Yeah, there's actually, I think I've seen like Australia, New Zealand. Oh, there's Macau Mint. There's bottle caps.
Some made by Coco Iceland, some China, some Canada, and Australia.
Is there silver in those bottle caps?
Yes, it's also the corn.
Oh.
But actually it's
So just gonna. I think I bought some Canada ones before. So here's the year of the rat for. So I think that you can get some pretty cool stuff, commemorate, especially stuff in Macau, China. And I'll see stuff from all over. I've seen like Cuba. And so if anybody's interested in silver. Oh, it's a coin in there. Okay. Oh wow. Is that for Macau?
No.
China?
It's not my basic.
Where? Oh. Oh, there's a serial number. Oh, Fiji. Wow. There's more money up here too, right? 2020
Yes, about China.
year of the rat for China. Not Macau, but China. Okay. So the year of the rat 2020 may be an interesting year because of COVID and rats and plague. So maybe it might be very valuable someday to have something from 2020. Cambodia. I think they got a special collection there.
It's not open.
Oh, but it's not open. Then they have Europe, pre-order, China. I think this is the one I bought last time. Canada one.
Made by Macau.
Oh, these are made in Macau. Oh, okay. And these are Hong Kong. Oh, Macau and Hong Kong.
Only this one is made by Hong Kong. Others are Macau.
Oh, okay. And this was, and I think, actually I was here with my friend and this is like real money. You can actually, I think he was explaining that sometimes people can travel with this one and it's like worth a lot more, but it's like 50,000 when they claim it. So it's actually kind of interesting. Okay, I guess I'll end it here. So thank you for telling me about the silver shop.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.